Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. We got ASST just jumping at the moment. This one could be really good. However, it's getting near a major resistance around the 183. Good morning, everybody. So SST is the strongest for now. Jumping up near the resistance. It could be good for a pullback now because it's kind of overextended at the moment. So we'll see if we hold over the 135. Good morning, everybody. We have a huge day for us today. We got ASST, TOVX reversing from the 184, HIMS is pulling back a bit. We got MEGL trying to break from the $2 and NCEW. For HIMS, I'm gonna keep it here. Good morning, everybody. We got a few stocks have earnings yesterday, like AMD, which pulling back currently. We have a little pullback. It was in green yesterday, 5%. Now it's pulling back. Lucid, nothing much. Oscar, nothing much. We got Dash. Palantir is pulling back as well, guys. Palantir could be good for a breakout for today from the 110. So I'm watching it closely. Palantir, guys. And SMCI had earnings yesterday and pulling back again down. We have a huge pullback yesterday after hours, after the bad earnings. As you can see here, 24% suppressed down for the earnings. Revenue was almost $500 million down. Not that fantastic. The last earnings were better, I think. Yeah, at least for revenue. This earnings not that good, guys. So let's get right to it. Let's see, let's buy if it's good. Yeah, still holding. The SPY, we have a big buyer today in the pre-market. Unusual buyer in Wednesday or after hours yesterday. Yeah, after hours yesterday, we have a huge jump, unusual jump. Now it's pulling back again down. ASST, guys, ASST. We got a test for our resistance. ASST could be good for now, guys. It could be good if we broke this level. Yeah, ASST jumping up, guys. ASST looking great for now. ASST, guys, it look all right. Let me just adjust the support now around the 153. The other support around 123. So yeah, ASST looking great at the moment, guys, before the market open. The only one that looks strong. The rest is a bit weak from my side. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way, and don't forget to hit the like button on the way. And good morning, Lizzie, Amis, wannabe wizard. What's up? Elvin, good morning. Butter. We got someone love butter. Good morning, Dios la bandeja. What you mean about this? Dios is God. Bandeja. I used to speak Spanish, but I forget a bit of words. I think, I don't know, God of what? Anyway, TOVX, Jordel, yes, is still on our list. Shad, good morning. Gobi, good morning, man. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way and support the channel. Thank you for the support. Remember, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open. To discuss the market, we have huge earnings for AMD, Palantir yesterday, SMCI yesterday. After hours, we got a lot of stocks reporting earnings. And now we got a major resistance to break for ASST, guys. We don't have a breakout yet from the $1.83. So far, so good. If we have the current support over the 150 for ASST, 200% guys for ASST. I'm gonna double check if we got other stocks that have earnings today in pre-market. We got Uber and Disney. Jason, you asked me about Uber. Yes, Uber and Tim. Tim already have earnings early. So now we have Uber and Disney. Those the top unicorn stock. CVNA reporting earnings today after hours, guys. What else we got here? So let us bring Uber and Disney to the main watch list. Uber, Disney, and Tim. Let us discuss Tim first. Let me know, Jason, if you're watching right now, so I could cover your live stream. I could cover the stock that you requested for me now. God bless you all. Interesting. I didn't know that. Dios le bendiga. Good afternoon, John. Thank you, man. Thank you, Gobi. Interesting. Pretty girl called it butter. Interesting. Here in France, we love butter, man. Butter is really precious to us. We add butter to everything. Welcome, wanna be a wizard. Welcome. A new member, guys, a new hunter on our community. So the list, as you can see here, those lists have earnings, and this list pre-market hunt or the unicorn and the stock that have a good potential to do crazy work, but they're not all good for entry. For ASST is good because testing the resistance. TOVX is reversing from the support. MEGL is reversing from the bottom. So it's not all of them doing all right, but they are the only one that jumping big, almost 500%, 50% or more. That's why we call them unicorn stocks, because they have major earnings. Anyway, so let us see. Tim, let me watching Uber had earnings this morning. Yes. Let me just check Tim for you, Jason. For Tim, we got you see, we got the earnings. We flushed down back in Thursday last week. Now we got a bit of support to hold to reverse from the 220, 202.72. We need to break this level to squeeze more toward at least the 228.70. If we didn't, this one will continue to go down toward the 176.68. For Disney, have earnings today, 9% jumping up after good earnings. Currently, we have strong support for Disney, guys, around 93.36. Current resistance is almost being tested around the 102.10 cent, and the other support profit taking, it is around the 108. The ultimate target, for my opinion, for Disney, it is around the 115.60. So yeah, Disney have a huge earnings, guys, huge earnings today in pre-market. I'm watching it closely. As long as we hold the 93.50 will be great. The first support for it, it is over the 97. Current resistance is getting near around the 102, so be careful. It is about to have a huge pullback. For Uber, on the other hand, going down. Uber is going down, but it's not good here. So it's a bit risky play. If it continue to go down, I will wait for a dip instead. So we have the bottom around the 60, but I doubt that we're gonna go there. We have the support at the moment is over the 77.22. So if we have the 77.22 would be great because we're already reversed from it over it. So this is the current support that we should hold for Uber. The other support that we might buy the dip at is the 69 and 49 and the $60. Yes, those two levels that we might buy the dip for Uber. Current resistant and profit taking, it is around this level, everybody, around the 86.74. If we don't break it, we're going to continue to go down toward the 77, then the 69.49. Oscar is still, yeah, pulling back right now. Lucid and Raven did nothing, so I'm gonna take them from the list. AMD is still trying to reverse here, guys. We have a little support to hold at the market open over the 99.11. Yeah, it would be great if we held the 99.11, guys, for Uber or for AMD for today. To reverse and go toward the 103.54, the current resistance. So let's go back to ASST, guys, because got shorted again around the 185 current resistance. We need to hold the over the $1.52 to jump toward the $2.28. We got what else we got today? We got even NVO, the biggest stock for today that have earnings, almost 300 million market cap. NVO, yeah, gapped up 4%, but now it's going down again. It's tricky, so I don't like it that much. Let me just check those three that have earnings now. EMR, JCI, COR. Those all stock that have earnings. We got checking if we got something or some stock familiar. There's no stock is familiar. We got Unity Software. Yo, Unity reporting earnings now, guys. Let me just check Unity. Unity 2% for today earnings. So we got a resistance for it around the 23. Support to hold right now is around the 20. Bottom is around the 15. I would put the support just in case around the 2016. Yeah, Unity looking juicy. Yeah, for today it could be good. I'm gonna keep it on the list. EMR have earnings jumping up 5%, but I don't like the technical that much. JCI the same, COR the same. So yeah, Unity looking great for a swing trade, guys. Disney the same, looking great, looking fantastic. Disney, guys, is getting near a major resistance. I expect a pullback at the market open. It's kind of overextended right now. It could pull back with Uber as well, because Uber, it is testing a resistance currently around the 83.98, guys. We got support currently for Uber over the 81.44, Jason, if you want to trade this one. So if we held the 81.44 and we break this current resistance, could be good for today to jump toward the 86. Let me just check how much we can do if we jumped here, 3%. Yeah, I might go to all-time high over the 88. Analyst price target for it is 89, guys, 89.44. So we might do another 4%. And my target is around the $90 or $100. We have a huge earnings or squeeze, we might have the 100, but for now, for today is $90. Yeah, those the stock that look interesting for today. AMD is moving, guys, up. Let us see if we got something in the pre-market. Today, MEGL reversing NCEW. We got CURI. Let us check the market again if we got something moving. ASST number one with 59 million worth of volume, CNY, AVDX. Yeah. So for now, we only got ASST number one, guys. It's about to squeeze from the 185. TOVX game over, guys. A flush down from the 184. Unfortunately, TOVX abort the mission. It's not good anymore. MEGL still holding. This one's still holding. So ASST technically is the only one that look interesting with maybe HIMS. I will keep it here. WW nothing. MLGO it pulled back. You are welcome, Jason. Night Trader, if you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know, because you asked about MLGO. Nice hunt Dexter on GBUS. Yes, GBUS is pulling back. RGC, nope. Z car is pulling back. Marine is moving up a bit. You see, all those stocks were great the last week. Now they are not. Look at that. Yeah, GPUS, you see, is pulling back a lot down. Anyway, so let us go back. We got only ASST, the only one, guys. The rest of the market, not good. So ASST want to break out here, guys, from the 185. If we did, we might have a squeeze toward the 228 and might do 22%. Yeah, it would be great if we have 22% squeeze here or less. $2.24 should be the target, but now there is a big seller, guys. Let us bring our disclaimer before we forget for today. Remember, guys, our live stream is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. We're not financial advisor, guys. Remember, and remember, we always go live every day before the market open by 30 minutes here on YouTube and early on our Discord and Bitcoin, where we discuss the market. And take profit on our trades. Every day, guys, we do day trade. And yesterday we did for NITO, GPUS, HIMS, of course. Every day we do day trade and swing trade stocks for our hunters on Discord and Bitcoin, and do live streaming early and the pre-market. If you want to join, guys, the link in the comment section below. I'm gonna put the link right now on the live chat section, and don't forget, guys, to hit the like button on the way in. We got just 3 minutes left at the market open. Thank you for the support, everybody. So we got MLGO, we got yeah, we already discussed. We're gonna discuss MLGO. We have a huge reversal for MLGO early on today and then pull back. Yeah, Mara is kind of pump and dump lately. So MLGO, guys, have we reversed from the bottom that we discussed early last week, the $3.40. We jumped and we pulled back really fast before our main resistance around the 590. And now the resistance turned toward the 411. Guys, those stocks, guys, the charts change by the day. So if you don't update the charts, the levels will be not sustainable and not good. So MLGO and most unicorn stocks, we have to update them daily. Last update we did, it was last week, and we have a great question from one of our hunter trade night trader asking me about why the price changed from the 590 for the resistance toward the 522. Because first of all, the last update we did last week, so the level it was not updated. And second, if you entered from the bottom and the price reversed already 40%, you have to take profit, man, before even the resistance. Don't trust those kind of reversal, man. Don't trust those kind of reversal. Always, when the price jump like this, always take 20%, 40% from your entry, because it was really good dip. And once this jump happened, always take profit early, or just let me know, because you are one of our elite members. So let me know once you enter a trade. Let me know about to update the level for you, to just to confirm with me if you should take profit or not, or do train stop. Okay. So the next time, because you're elite member, you can send me a message here on the elite level or the elite request, and I will do short update for you. If you can hear me, always make sure with me about the levels, because as we said, those levels change by the seconds. Now the resistance turned from the 540 toward the 411. Anyway, so guys, the market's about to open in just 1 minute. So guys, hit the like, support this channel, and let us hunt for today. ASST, guys, it is the one, to be honest. It is the only one that look great. If it break the 186, hallelujah, we're gonna have a huge squeeze. In the current situation, we got only one stock. Wannabe wizard right now is too dangerous, ASST, brother, because we didn't break the resistance here. If we broke the resistance, we're gonna have action up. If we didn't, we're gonna pull back down toward the 150 and the 123. So the safest bet is waiting for the dip here and there. Again, this is not the financial advice, everybody. And the early update for all the stocks is on Discord and Bitcoin, guys. If you wondering when the best entry, sometimes the best entry, it is we do it here on the pre-market watch list to discuss the stock before those kind of jump, because once the market open, it will be too late for entry and exit for many stocks. So let's get right to it, guys. The market's about to open or just opened right now. ASST, guys, this is the one to watch. MEGL holding the support. If we held the 163, could be really good for reversal right now. The whole market for me is no good for me here. BTOG especially is not good. RGC, nope. So we only have ASST for today, guys. It about, yeah, we have a big seller right now. Holy moly, look at that. Seller is not leaving for ASST. AMD, guys, we have a huge wick up. Palantir going down again. Current resistance for Palantir is 110, guys. AMD, we have another wick. This is crazy. Another wick up. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put alert just in case for AMD down here. If we broke, it's mean game over. SMCI earnings yesterday, that's why it's going down. Palantir is a bit in green. Mara, guys, still trying to be in green today. ASST, what's going on? Nothing much. No breakout yet. MLGO, guys. Yeah, we saw MLGO. We already discussed the bottom from the last week, guys. We have a really good reversal for MLGO, but it went down after that. Now we discussed the bottom for MLGO, or the support should be over here, the $3.66. Now we have a resistance around the 411. So it's a bit tricky right now because we have to break the 411 to go up again. It jumped early in the pre-market, then flushed down. Look at that. It was 40% up. Now it's just 8% up. So MLGO, I'm gonna keep it on the main list because it look interesting. The rest, I don't like that much, guys. Too risky for me. NCEW could be good. HIMS, what a crazy reversal. 47 is the support. HIMS, guys, is want to squeeze over the $50 like yesterday. Yesterday we have unusual squeeze here. Look at that. We did 25%, and now we might have the same for HIMS. So I'm gonna put HIMS here, guys, on the second. For NCEW, got a bit of resistance there around 418. Yes, 418. So HIMS going toward the green side. Whoa, ASST moving up. ASST, guys, the support, it is the 153, as we discussed. Now I think we are halted. We might let me just check here. Are we halted, guys? Yeah, we're halted up right now. Holy baloney. Look at this. We are halted right around the 189. Okay, guys, after done halting, if we open over the 189, we could have a nice squeeze for ASST toward the $2.24. This is my target now. What else we got? NCMI halted as well. NCMI, I think I was watching this one early today. Wait a second. NCMI. I think it's halted down. No, it's not good. So we only have ASST and might be HIMS. MAGL, guys, could be good as well because it held the 163 perfectly. And now it's going up toward the $2. MEGL, I thought it was halted, but is not halted. Let's see here. NTCL, RGC is halted. RGC, one of the main stock yesterday, man, is reversing big time, but reversing on light volume. And we got NTCL. Today it is a bit active. NTCL, no, it's going down. It's halted down. So yeah, the main ones are ASST, guys, and maybe MEGL. Yes, MEGL, I'm gonna put it second for the top stocks. MEGL looking great, guys, right now. We reverse from the bottom here, almost 17%. Yeah, MEGL, guys, looking really great. I'm gonna lower the profit taking just in case. Around $2.12, and the other one is around the $2.36. Current short sellers around the 196, guys, for this one. It's just right there. We're ready, pull back. So I'm gonna lower the resistance around the 190. Current target to go now is around the $2.12 or $2.11. I'm gonna lower it again, $2.07. So MEGL looking great. ASST halted right around the resistance, the 189. So we only have two stocks that look good. MLGO testing the bottom, guys, around $3.60. Yeah, $3.65. Current resistance again lowered around the $3.90 now. You see, every second this resistance change. MLGO, it could be pump and dump, guys. If we broke right now, the $3.65. If we broke, I'm gonna take it from the list. Yeah, we broke, so I'm gonna take it from the list. NCEW is pulling back. Yeah, we only have 3 stocks now. TOVX, no good. WW is jumping up a bit. MLGO, game over here. Okay, GPUS looking great. GPUS looking fantastic here. Is about to squeeze, guys. GPUS. Yeah, doing all right. It might be good. So we could keep it on the main list with ASST and MEGL. MEGL, guys, broke the resistance, so I'm gonna change the resistance now around $2. $2. We got $2 and $2.22. $2 right now is the resistance and profit taken for MEGL. ASST didn't break the $1.90. It went down really quick from the $1.89. Now it's halted down, so it's not good, guys. It's too dangerous right now. We should have broke. Let's check the market here. Palantir is squeezing up, guys. Hallelujah. Palantir is squeezing to Falahala. Guys, Palantir doing a great job for a reversal. We got a level to test for Palantir currently around around the $1 116.90. This is the current resistance at the moment for Palantir. So I'm gonna put alerts just in case. Yes, gonna put it there. AMD is still nothing. We didn't break the resistance. There's a big seller, guys, for AMD around the 103.54. Unfortunately, we didn't break this level. Look at that. A stubborn big seller is around the 103.54. Yeah, we didn't break it. JBUS, guys, is squeezing up. Is about to test a strong resistance just below the 689. It could be good for today. It could be good candidate to watch for today. GBUS looking really great. We got MEGL the same, looking great for a squeeze. Yeah, MEGL, guys, is reversing perfectly. We got a test at the moment around the $2. I think it's the best time to buy to take profit now for MEGL, guys. I think it's good to take profit right now. Yeah, is a right to take profit. Currently looking great to take profit at, guys. MEGL, MEGL. Or MEGL, good for taking profit right now, just around the $2, guys. So I'm gonna exit from this trade. Yeah, we got big seller around the 2 for MEGL, so we expect a pullback. GPUS could be good, guys, to go toward the 689, then we pull back. HIMS looking great, guys, for a squeeze over the 50. We got the support for it over the 48, 44. If we held, we're gonna continue the squeeze. I'm gonna check if we got another thing going on. Nope. Nothing going on except for ASST is halted down. MEGL to break the 2. GPUS to go toward the 689 and HIMS to break the 50-50. And now we got a tricky situation for Palantir. Tricky situation for Palantir. We got tricky situation for AMD. AMD, guys, had earnings yesterday, but not that fantastic. So we have mixed feeling yesterday. The price jumped in after hours, 5%, went down, 7%, went up, 7%. You see, is not confirmed. And the short sellers is still adding their position here around the 103.54. So if we broke this level, AMD will be in green, huge green. Let's see cryptos. Bitcoin doing all right, 97,000, guys. Not bad for Bitcoin. This is will or might bring crypto stocks like Riot and Mara in green, because the last few days was brutal for Mara, especially went down 9%, and now it's correcting up. You see here we went down almost 14% for Mara, and now we got a bit of strength for Mara to go back up. 2%. We got right the same going in the green. The SPY going in green and holding the 556, guys. Fantastic job for the SPY and the whole market. We might have the turning point of the market now for this week and this month. Look at Palantir, started to reverse. Yes, sir. ASST halted, unhalted, guys. It's still holding the 153. This is it. Big seller came around the 190. Now big buyer came around the 150. GPUS hitting the target, guys. I expect a pullback now after testing this level. Yeah, there's a pullback is coming. Anytime now around the 7, maybe. Yeah, 7 could be a good pullback zone. We have now the 696. And need a pullback for this stock, guys, at least around $6.10 for us to have an entry for it. Now is a bit dangerous. How everybody doing? Should SMCI be sold, halted? Many of you asking about MLGO, and I think I took it from the list. Let's see where. Aha, MLGO, I think I took it from the list because it went down. Yeah, I don't like it that much. SMCI, guys, we got a nice reversal, but the seller still around the 32.22 for today. So if we don't break this level, is mean SMCI will pull back down. ASST, we might get halted again up, guys, so be careful. This time should be the time for a squeeze up. Let's see if SMCI, if ASST has halted again. Nope, not yet, I think. I think it's halted, man. Why is not shown? Yeah, it's ASST is halted now, guys. 1 minute ago, or a few seconds. We got ASST halted with LUTB, reason code, we got STRZ. Today is the day, guys. We got mini stock got halted, STRZ. Holy baloney, look at that, 8,000%. This one just came up, guys, STRZ, I think is the new IPO. Jumping 8,000% from the $8 until the 8.37. What's going on, man? 8,000%. So it should be jumping. No, 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 no. I think there is lag. So it's not 8,000. Impossible. Anyway, so STRZ, I think is new IPO. NTCL. 23% down. No, this one is dead, I think. Yeah, this one is going down a lot. Those kind of stocks is high on cocaine, man. I can't talk to them. It's crazy. So I'm gonna keep ASST, MEGL. MEGL, as we discussed, guys, the $2 was perfect exit to take profit. The entry was in pre-market here. We discussed MEGL, guys, if you remember on our Discord. We discussed it here together. Palantir is moving. Yes, ASST is crazy. I know, man. Every time we try to break, we are halted. Exactly. So yeah, ASST, watch out for this break this time, guys. If we broke the $1.90 this time, we're gonna squeeze officially. GBUS just hit the target resistance around the 714, guys. Now I think we're gonna have a pullback. Time for a little pullback for GBUS. HIMS, what's going on, brothers and sisters? This one is crazy. It need to break the 50-55 to squeeze up. Let us keep this one on the list, man. It halted 3 minutes ago, guys, this one. Yeah, ASST halted around the, let's say, 47. So 1 minute or 2 minutes left for the unhalting. Yeah, exactly 1 minute. MEGL, GPUS, HIMS, guys, it might be good for a squeeze now. Okay, AMD, I think, is weak today. Yeah, we have mixed signals for AMD. I think we're gonna go down this time, man. ASST unhalted, guys. Whoa, ASST is squeezing now, finally. ASST is squeezing from the 190, guys. This is it. We held the support 153. It was good entry here near the support, guys. And now I want to go toward the 224. ASST, guys, looking great. Two zero seven. Okay, guys, make sure to take a bit of profit because it's getting near the 2.24. ASST looking great. I think we're halted up, guys, right now. Yeah, we're halted up. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. What a nice trade, man. It held the 152 and now it's going toward our profit taking. Shout out to anybody traded with us ASST. 14% already on this trade. Fantastic job, everybody. So we got ASST, MEGL, GPUS, HIMS looking great as well, guys, for breakout now. So we are good. Let's check LEU very quick. No good, man, no good. I don't like LEU, nothing. It's not good. What a day, man. So ASST is halted currently around the 207. After done halting, we might have a gap toward the 224 and then we flush. Let's see how much we got here. We got RGC halted, ASST is halted. Okay. Oscar doing a great job. Uber have earnings today but broke the support. Disney doing a great as well. Didn't pull back yet. For SMCI, nothing much, man. We need to break the 32.22 to squeeze up. Current support is 29.33. Price pulled back because of the bad earnings yesterday after hours. For now, we got ASST number one. Number one stock for today. What a day we've got, guys. So now we're waiting for ASST to get unhalted and exit from this trade. We got HIMS, the same, looking great for a breakout. MEGL is not good now. GPUS, nice. We have a breakout again, guys, from the 714 going toward the 767. So technically, we only have 3 stocks for today. The best is ASST, after that HIMS. Okay, unhalted. Make sure to take profit right now, guys. We could have a huge flush. Whoa, jumping up really quickly. I think this is really great to take profit at. Yeah, it's good. Around the 25, already hit our target, guys. 25. And I think we might get halted right now, around the 2.25. Yeah, ASST is halted right around our level, the 2.25. This is it. We hit our target. HIMS is getting near the breakout. GPUS, guys, expect a huge pullback coming up really soon. So I don't trust it that much right now. I don't trust it that much. Around the $8, we might have a pullback. So at any moment, we might have a pullback. MEGL already pulled back. CNEY, no. This one, nope. This one, nope. This one, nope. So yeah, this is for now. Only 3 stocks. ASST is number 1. After that, HIMS. Let's see if we have another stock get halted. ASST number 1, RGC. Too dangerous, guys, RGC. But yeah, HIMS looking great. Currently doing great. Yeah, HIMS, guys, want to squeeze now from the 50, 55. Look at that. We have a really good trend here. Pretty good trend. NMAX. Nice hunt for ASST, my brother. This is what's up, Aman. Doing great, taking profit here and there. NMAX, I will check it right now, man. NMAX, what's going on? I don't like it, man. I don't like it. It is getting near a resistance, or we already tested the resistance around the 25.50. Target is around the 28.85, but it is light on volume. And the support that I trust, it is a bit far, around the 23.38. So yeah, I don't trust it that much. ASST, guys, doing really great. I expect a pullback after the unhalting, going down, and we might get halted down. HIMS, guys, we have a new high. This is really great for HIMS. Yeah, HIMS looking great. E-Trice, you are welcome, my brother. Sono plus ask about Pony. I think we already discussed it last week. Yeah, doing all right. However, it's not my cup of tea that much. It's getting near a strong resistance, for my opinion, right now around the 1540. I expect a bit of pullback there. And if we pull back, yeah, we got a bit of support around the 12, 54. And yeah, 1254 should be a support. And we got the bottom around the 968. I might have another support around the 11. So yeah, now it's time for turning back around the $15. Yes, $15, 50 or 40 should be a pullback zone for Pony. So Pony looking all right, man. Not bad. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list over there. But for now, the top one is ASST and HIMS. HIMS, guys, is squeezing to a new level with ASST, the only two stock that look strong for today. Now this one is pulling back below the before the $8. HIMS looking great, guys. You see, guys, ASST, I think is gonna hold it down or just hold it down now. Yes, perfect, man, perfect. We unhalted, we went a little bit, and now we halted down. That's why we exited before the haltation, guys, exactly around the $2.25. Great hunt, guys. Fantastic hunt for ASST. And of course, a man did a great job by exiting around the 198, I think. Wait a second. Whoa, really good exit, man. Just below the $2. And we exited around the 2.12, but yeah, $1.98 or around the $2. Great exit around asset entities. Nice hunt from Aman, one of our elite members who already took his profit right now for ASST. Great hunt, my brother. We're gonna update the level for ASST later on our Discord and Patreon, guys. The link in comment section below if you want to join the community and have early access and alert for many stocks. After we finish this live streaming, the hunt will continue there for updated levels and new levels for the market. In the meantime, guys, we have to finish our live streaming. And of course, coming back tomorrow because the hunt will continue for tomorrow. Every day there's a new opportunity. So make sure to come early tomorrow and support the channel, guys, even by like, or better yet, by supporting us on community on Discord and Patreon or on YouTube membership. Thank you for the support, guys, and stay blessed. And remember, guys, remember, never run after the price and let it come to you instead. Let's get ready. The hunt is still continue, guys. We've got ASST halted down. HIMS is still squeezing up. GPUS 57%. Those are the top unicorn for me for today. We're going to discuss updated level for them, the top target for today later on, where we're going to put the short. Just be careful. We're going to put the short on our Discord here on the Unicorn Hunt channel, like what we did yesterday for 5 different unicorn. Every day there's a new day trade and new hunt. Every day is new day on our community. So we're going to update the 2 levels for those top unicorn and find another unicorn that look fantastic for a swing trade. Because today we got stock that got earnings after hours today, like I think INTC, or let's double check. I think CVNA. Yes, exactly. After hours earnings. So we're gonna discuss the CVNA later on our Discord. We do short for it later. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you by tomorrow.